Let's take a look at the simple collaborative document. So go ahead and open it up. And perhaps you've used collaborative documents before, so this might not be anything new to you. But in Google Classroom, you can set a material up. You can set a doc up so that anyone with the link can edit. But it's probably best to give it out through assignment so you know who's contributing what for real. But honestly, like, just what I wanted to point out here is that tables work very nicely when you have collaborative docs. So you could use it for Q&A, like a back channel while you're meeting, or say put your Q's here and A's, and people can help each other out. You don't have to use a doc. You can use a discussion post. Yeah, you can use a variety of tools. This is just one thing. I often will use it to get a directory of who's in the meeting. Just like, tell me a little bit about how you're feeling. Tell me who you are. But I also can add like any additional templates or resources, which is why I wanted to draw your attention here is don't edit this document, because everyone's going to want to have access to these things. But if you wanted to modify any of the templates that are in the course, they're all here. So you can go ahead and grab them. Okay. With a collaborative doc, you also have what's called revision history. So if you click on file, it's actually called the version history now. And if you click on see version history, you can see the changes. And at any point you want to use the collaborative doc again, fresh, you can go back and make it fresh. These little arrows here are granular. So if you have student collaboration and you want to see every little piece of change, you click on the drop down, you can get more granular with the revisions. So that's all. That's what this doc is.